Hello everyone, welcome back to another Google Search Console tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to remove URLs using Google Search Console. If you want to temporarily hide a page from Google search results or remove outdated content, this step-by-step guide will help you do it correctly. First, sign in to your Google Search Console account and select your website. In the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on Removals. This tool allows you to temporarily hide URLs from Google Search while you make changes to your website. Next, click the New Request button. You'll have two options. The first is Temporarily Remove URL, which hides the page from Google search results for about 6 months. The second option is Clear Cached URL, which removes the cached version and outdated snippet from Google's search results while keeping the page indexed. Choose the option that fits your needs. Enter the full URL you want to remove and click Next. If you want to remove only one page, submit the exact URL. If you want to hide all pages under a specific directory, choose the option to remove all URLs with that prefix. Remember, the Removals tool only hides pages temporarily. If you want to permanently remove a page from Google Search, you must also delete the page, return a 404 or 410 status code, add a noindex meta tag, or block access with proper methods depending on your situation. Otherwise, Google may index the page again after the temporary removal period ends. After submitting your request, Google will process it, and the status will appear in the removals report. Most requests are completed within a short time, but it may take a little longer in some cases. Always double-check the URL before submitting the request, because removing the wrong page could affect your website's visibility in search results. And that's how